So when you apply it, you basically want to form a loop with your hardware and your knot towards the top, and you want to just kind of grab it loosely. You go around your floatline once, you go around your floatline twice. You can stop at that point if you want, but we actually usually go a third time. And you want to kind of just loosely pull it. You will see it starts to lock around the floatline itself. And what you need to do is spend a little bit of time kind of tensioning this up and cleaning the knot up. Because once it's cleaned up, it'll look exactly like that, nice and tight. And then all you have to do is get your tuna clip, hook it to that, and it's ready to go. This is what it should look like when it's finished. You can see if you kind of stretch this out, the knot is actually not in line or right on top of the tuna clip. You kind of want it off-centered off of that. And the way this works is when your fish puts tension on it, it stops your line, and all you have to do to loosen it is grab it and pull. And put tension, all you have to do is grab the knot and pull. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to ultimatespearfishing.com.